So Zapply looked at tired men dragging themselves through the day like a phone on 3% battery and said, "Here, take 3 capsules and stop walking like Windows 98. Meet Zapply T1, an all in one men's supplement that claims to support energy, wellness, and normal testosterone levels using natural ingredients." The official page says it contains ingredients like zinc, magnesium, vitamin D3, shilajit, and ashwagandha KSM 66. Basically, it is marketed as the "Bro, Get Your Life Together" bottle. On paper, Zapply T1 sounds like a gym bag turned into capsules. The brand says you take 3 capsules daily, preferably after breakfast, and recommends using it consistently for at least 3 months. Translation: this is not a magic button. You do not swallow 1 capsule and wake up looking like a superhero with tax problems. It is more like a support supplement for men already trying to sleep better, train better, eat better, and not survive purely on coffee and regret. Now, customer feedback is where it gets interesting. Trustpilot shows Zapply with a strong overall rating, around 4.5 out of 5, with thousands of reviews depending on the country page. Many users praise fast delivery, helpful customer service, better sleep, more energy, and feeling better overall. Some reviewers even mention improved recovery and daily focus. So, yes, plenty of buyers are happy, or at least happy enough to type about it with enthusiasm. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Some Trustpilot reviews say they felt no difference after using it, and one customer mentioned trying it for 3 months with no change. Re-reviews also shows a more mixed picture, with a smaller review sample and a lower rating than Trustpilot. That means results may depend on the person, lifestyle, expectations, and whether you thought capsules were going to replace sleep, food, and discipline. Spoiler, they will not. Final verdict: Zapply T1 looks interesting if you want a men's supplement with popular ingredients, strong customer service feedback, and many positive user reviews. But do not buy it expecting overnight superhero powers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.